If you're just tuning in, post below. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know you're seeing this. And let me know what your workout is for this evening. Let me know if you did it already or if you're going to be doing it. Whew. What do we have here? Tuning in. We've got my beautiful aunt, Anna Fontana. Love you, Sitzy. Thanks for watching. Woo. Whew. Man, feeling it. Sitiana, what are you doing for your workout today? Let me know. You just watching or you're going to do something today? What is it? Man. Pizzica. Feeling that. Working super hard here. Probably got about 2 more supersets to go. And that's going to be it. So don't blink. Stay tuned. Watch the end of this training session and see what you could do on your own at home. Even if you don't have one of these systems, there's still some of these things you could do at home. So watch closely. Here we go. Asymmetrical push-up. One hand high, one hand low. Slow and steady. These asymmetrical hand positions are a carryover from the playground training sessions I used to do long ago. And those playground training sessions and the results are what inspired the design of the all-in-one Sculpt-to-Fit system. Right now you're only seeing chest and back. We could do everything on here, entire body, and the whole family can use it. We got the lower body core step. We got the hybrid bench mat. We've got everything right here. Here we go. Other side. Right hand is high, left hand is low. And we move slowly, taking out all momentum. We don't want any momentum because we want the muscle fibers to do the work. That's the whole point in the first place. That's the secret here, one of the secrets. Slow, controlled, and steady. We don't want to get hurt, we want results. Whew. Whew. Notice the asymmetry I got going here. Left hand high, right hand low. Right hand high, left hand low. Man, I'm feeling my whole back is working, my whole back. Notice the pause up at the top. Down slowly. Pulling slowly. Pause. And down slowly. Whew, man. Back to the chest now. Here we go. Stagger stance. One leg forward, one leg back. Going from high to low on this one. High to low. Pausing at the bottom. Up slowly. We control the movement both ways. Pause it. Let all those muscle fibers kick in for control. Get them stimulated. Bands work big time if you know how to use them. You put them together with the body weight moves. Creates awesome synergy to get all that stimulation we want. To get these things toned up, shaped, get the fat burning off. We don't need to go 15, 12 repetitions, 4, 5, 6, maybe 8, maybe 10 reps max on some of these sets, maybe. It's not about how many, it's about the quality of the move. It's not about how many, it's how. Quality. See the pause, and then up slowly. Pausing it at the bottom. All right, we had the news station calling in. So I'm picking you back up here on the live. Had to send that call to voicemail. Here we go. I think the neighbors must have felt the heat coming from next door. Everybody's on the couch watching TV. And we're here doing the home gym Hercules half hour. That's it, 30 minutes and done. Maybe you're not a home gym Hercules. Maybe you're a home gym hottie. We'll call it the home gym hottie 30 minutes. Maximum, that's it, 30 minutes and done when you're doing it right. No need for 90 minutes in the gym, dealing with all those crowds, the driving traffic, all the characters and all the drama at the health club, the sweaty machines. People don't even wipe them down. Some of them do. But who needs all that? Who needs 90 minutes at the gym when you can get all this right at home? Male or female, young or old, doesn't matter. Beginner or ultra advanced like me. Even if you're just starting out. At the Sculpt to Fit Studios, we have ladies who've never done anything come to the studio, sign up, and they start out as a pure beginner on all the easiest exercises, and the coaching team takes them through, and they start getting their life back. They start getting their fitness back. And the spectrum never ends. Super, super beginners, all the way up to ultra advanced, no big heavy weights, no beast mode, no killing it, none of that silly stuff. None of that go hard or go home. I'm already home. Home, right here. No go hard home. I'm here at home doing everything we need to do, looking and feeling better than most of the people out there who are killing themselves. And you can do the same. You can do the same. Even if you don't have the all-in-one at home. You can make your own versions of this. Or you can get one too and follow along. Same exact methods, same exact routines, all adjustable to your levels. That's it, I'm done. This is Joey Atlas. I appreciate you tuning in, watching this chest and back session. I'm gonna do some stretching for flexibility. Once I turn off the camera, I'm gonna reply to everybody's messages down below. If you like what you see, leave me a message, let me know. If you want to see more, let me know, post below. If you want more information on how to get one for your own home or your office or your vacation home, follow the link either above or below or post below, and I'll tell you where to get the best deal. And even if you just like watching what I'm doing so you can learn a few tips and pointers, let me know that as well. Post below. Again, the results come even when you do it the easy way. See you next time. Joey loves you.